Hello everyone, myself Hemant Kodaje, studying instrumentation for College of Engineering, Bangalore, and in the branch of Information Science and Engineering. Today I am here to talk about the subject principles of programming using C, and the topic is finding the roots of a quadratic equation using C program. That is, today we are gonna learn about how to write a program on roots of quadratic equation using C language. In this program, we're gonna learn about its problem statement and its execution stepwise, and how to write in different scenarios and how to verify it. These are the things we will learn in this video. What is the problem statement? That is to develop a program to compute the roots of a quadratic equation by accepting the coefficients, print appropriate messages. The aim of the problem statement is to solve the complex algebraic expression in C and to use the built-in math function, that is like math.h, like that. Let's start with the basics of quadratic equation, that is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a is the formula of the quadratic equation. And quadratic equation, that is general form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are called as coefficients. For example, 5x square plus 3x plus 3 is equal to 0, where a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 3 and c is equal to 3. 2x square minus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0, where a is 2, b is minus 4 and c is minus 5. These are the examples. Let's talk about its roots. Roots are of three types, that is real and distinct, real and equal, and complex. And discriminant is equal to minus b square minus 4ac. That is, if discriminant is greater than 0, then it is real and distinct. If it is equal to 0, then it is real and equal. If it is less than 0, that is complex. Computing roots. How to compute roots if real and distinct are there, that is r1 is equal to minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, and root 2, that is minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. If the roots are real and equal, then r1 equal to r2 equal to minus b upon 2a. If it is complex, that's r1 is equal to x plus iy and r2 is equal to x minus iy, where x is real part and y is imaginary part. And we have to find out x is equal to minus b upon 2a. To find out y, that is y is equal to b square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Before starting the program, we should know the steps how to write it, that is by including libraries to declare variables and get the values for coefficients from the user, and to calculate the discriminant value. And the fifth point is, that is compute roots and print output real, equal or real, distinct or complex. Let us start the program. That is by including the libraries, that is studio.h, include mat.h and studiolive.h, and then we will be declaring the variables which are required, that is float a, comma b, comma c, and root 1, root 2, real part, imaginary part, and discriminant, where it is a, b, c, root 1, root 2 are in the form of float. Next we'll print the value, that is printf, they enter the value of coefficient a. Next we have to scanf, that is percentage f, that is we are using the float, so you should write percentage f and ampersand a. If a is equal to 0, then printf, that is invalid input, or and then retry again, and we should exit. Next we should print enter the value of coefficient of b and c, that is then we should can, that is coefficient of b and c, that is there is two float values, therefore there will be two percentage f and ampersand b and ampersand c. And discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. If discriminant is 0, then print the roots are real and equal. Root 1 equal to root 2 equal to b upon 2 into a, that is as shown in the previous slides. And printf, that is root 1 equal to root 2 equal to percentage 0.2 f n root 1. Else, if discriminant is greater than 0, then print the roots are real and distinct. Root 1 is equal to minus b square root of discriminant divided by 2a, and root 2 is minus b minus square root discriminant into discriminant divided by 2a. Then we should print that is root 1 is equal to percentage point 2 n point 2 nf slash n comma root 1, and print f that is root 2 is equal to percentage point 2 slash n comma root 2. If else, that is by using condition else, that is if both of them are not there, then we should print the roots are complex slash n, and real part is minus b upon 2a 2 into a, and imaginary part is square root into discriminant part divided by 2 into a. Then we should print that is root 1 equal to percentage point 2 f plus I percentage point 2 f slash n real part comma imaginary part. Print f that is root 2 that is equal to percentage point 2 minus I percentage point 2 f slash n, that is real part comma imaginary part. So by writing this program we can get the roots of the quadratic equation. Let us get the output, that is if we enter the values of the coefficient as if we enter the coefficient as 1 comma 1 4 and 4, that is ABC values, then the roots are equal, real and equal, then the root 1 is minus 2 and root 2 is minus 2. If we enter the values of the coefficient, that is 1 5 and 6 for example, then we will get that is roots are real and distinct. Root 1 is minus 2 and root 2 is minus 3.00. To get complex, that is enter the values of coefficient, that is 2 3 4, that is values of a b c, that is a is 2 b is 3 and c is 4. The roots are complex. Root 1 is minus 0.75 plus I into 1.198958, and root 2 is minus 0.75 minus I into 1.198198. So this is the output of the program, that is to find the roots of quadratic equation using C. Thank you.